sending this video, first of all, I'm apologizing to Drywall Master because they talked me into buying this little 5-inch box years ago, and I thought, I tried it. I really didn't have any use for it, but I was working in downtown Chicago with Levy Company, and I was working with a group of tapers that just beat me up. They were half my age, and they just ran me ragged. So now I'm back out here in the suburbs doing smaller jobs because I just can't do that anymore. I may be, I'm getting old, guys, I'm getting old. But I thought, I've got tearaway bead going all the way around this basement ceiling to protect the wallpaper, so they didn't have to take the wallpaper down. And I thought, what a great idea, because they were boxing the corner bead in downtown Chicago, and it looked excellent. I think they ran the first coat by hand, and then they boxed it and finished it that way, and it was just beautiful. And I thought, I can run this 5-inch box right here on the edge, and then all I have to do is clean up that very end, and that'll be done. I think this is going to be awesome, but I'll see. We'll see what it looks like when I'm done with this. All right, so bear with me, guys. Okay, here I am. I'm running these this tearaway bead with this 5-inch box that I have from Drywall Master. I'm going to show it to you up close real soon in a second here. But oh my gosh, this is really worked well. Look at this. This is a little, it's measuring 6, but they're calling it a 5 because of the shoes. And the reason I didn't box this, by the way, is because there's a seam here. I'm going to box it with a 12-inch box. But this has turned out really well. I'm going to grab my other camera here. Give you a close-up on some of the stuff that I just ran. But look at this. And I ran all of this down here. This is unbelievable on how well this thing ran. And it's just going to be a little touch-up now. You see, I had to do this entire room. Everything in here. It worked out so well. So I want to apologize to Drywall Master for ever dissing your 5-inch box. It is great. You guys should be able to find one at Drywall Master. I know All Wall Tools carries them too. Al's Taping Tools, those places carry the Drywall Master sets of tools, but that is a great tool. It's extremely cold outside. The high we've already had this morning, early this morning, at like 15 degrees, and temperatures are dropping all day. It's going to be a cold one today. So there you have it. Again, like I said, this works really well. They say they use these a lot of times for off angles. When you have off angles, they'll box the off angle out. But I thought, you know what? I've got it in my garage. Let me try it for this tearaway bead. Oh my goodness. It's going to save me a lot of time. You guys have a great day. Hey, if you really like the videos, subscribe. And if you really like the videos, please just share them with somebody else. All right? You guys have a great day.